Good for it. It's 8:20 8:20 a.m. in the middle of rush hour in Beijing. We're going to attempt to get on a subway. This is going to be impossible. What do we mean if we can't get on?
上这种大辆车吧，上这种大辆吧，不要全往里。大辆吧，老师就完车了啊，别挤了，别挤了。往后让，往后让。
Step 2。
来，让开车门，先下后上。
Go. This is fascinating.
都上来了，
我的天！It feels so fluid.